Hey there, and welcome to our tutorial on how to activate auto clockout. This will automatically clock your employees out after a set amount of hours. To activate the feature, head to your settings, toggle on the feature, and decide after what time frame you want your employees to be auto clocked out. This can be 8 hours to avoid employees going into overtime, or you can set a higher limit that your employees should never exceed, for instance, 12 hours. That way, if your employees forget to clock out, they will automatically be clocked out. When an employee gets automatically clocked out, you will see an indication on their timesheets, which might prompt you to contact the employee to inquire about it. In addition, you can also set up an automatic report that gets sent to you for employees that have been automatically clocked out for record keeping. To do so, navigate to Settings, then Auto Reports, select Add. Choose User Report. Select the Auto Clockout option. Add the days and times you wish it to be sent and the recipient, and save your changes. Please note that the auto clockout duration resets after midnight. If you want more information or assistance, head to our Help Center for more videos and articles. Thanks for watching.